Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your taxable events with CryptoTrader.Tax, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your taxable events with CryptoTrader.Tax, start by visiting the CryptoTrader.Tax website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the import section on the dashboard. Select your cryptocurrency exchange from the list provided. If your exchange supports direct API imports, follow the instructions to connect your account securely. Alternatively, if your exchange does not support this feature, download your transaction history in CSV format from the exchange website. Upload the CSV file to CryptoTrader.Tax by selecting the Upload CSV option. After uploading, review the imported transactions for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to reflect discrepancies in the data. Once satisfied with the accuracy, proceed to categorize your transactions. Identify which transactions are taxable events, such as trades, sales, and other dispositions. After categorization, CryptoTrader.Tax will calculate your gains and losses automatically. Review the summary of your taxable events on the dashboard. When you're ready, navigate to the Export section. Choose the tax report format required by your jurisdiction, such as IRS Form 8949. Click the Generate Report button to create your tax document. Download the report to your device and save it for your records. If you need further assistance, visit the support section of CryptoTrader.Tax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.